Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd, and welcome to a little unboxing stroke unbagging. And these are some diamond paintings that have been sent to me from the lovely people over at Newcastle. I've done an unbagging for them last month, and they contacted me again asking if I'd like to choose some more to unbag, and I was impressed with the last lot, so I said yes, of course. Now, I will be 100% honest with you. I had an issue with two things actually I want to talk to you about with this company. One, someone had commented on the last video. They'd been over to the website and they had lots of pop-ups, and they were just really struggling from an experience, customer experience to navigate and enjoy, looking through the paintings on the website. And so I fed that back to New Craft Day, and they were amazing. They went and turned their pop-ups down so it didn't flash up so often. They optimized something else. So they did all of these things. They were listening to the feedback. In addition, I had one of my paintings, the canvas, and I did say in the video when I felt it, it wasn't very sticky, and that was apparent when I actually came to completing it. So when they contacted me again and asked if I wanted to review some other paintings, I said to them about that painting, and they have taken it on board and they fed it back to the product development team as well, to make them aware that there's been an issue, and also obviously just to keep an eye on it in future, just to make sure no one else has the same issue. So I thought they were really, really good with their customer service, with the feedback they were given, and hoping that they've acted. I know they've acted on the website optimization, so good on them. So yeah, I'm happy to work with companies that are like that. So I've ended up with 4 diamond paintings this time. So I will have a look at these. I can't even remember what I ordered, to be honest. Wasn't that long ago. I think this was probably about a week ago, maybe just over. So yeah, the speed coming over here, it might be because it's a PR package that it's come quickly, I don't know. But we have this one. Oh yes, we have a Monsters Inc. one. How cute is this? I cannot wait to finish this one off. So standard toolkit, we'll add it to the pile. So we have some drills here. I'm adding it to the pile because I've just done another haul video for Temu as well. So drills here, we have 23 colours in this one. Again, I'm not going to get the drills out because I'm sure you have better things to be doing with your life than watching me open up a train of drills. We have the colours that you'd expect: the greens for Sully, the blues for Mike. We've got the kind of the peachy colour for Boo's dress, the blue for the bowl, the door. Yeah, should be nice and easy. Again, there's a lot of colour blocking in this. The drill field is nice and clear on this one, so no issue with the stick. Okay, perfect. So 0476, we have the canvas number on. Brilliant. That means I can pop the drills away. Then moving on to the next one, I literally cannot remember what this is. Oh yes. Okay, so as I've said in previous videos, I'm really trying to get hubby on board with the diamond painting. He is, let's try that again. He is doing one at the moment. He's doing a Stormtrooper I ordered from Amazon. But when I placed my order with New Craft Day to tell them which ones that I wanted, I thought I would grab him a couple in my choices. So I thought that was very nice of me. So I got him. He's a massive Star Wars fan. Oh goodness me, I tell you what, this canvas is softer than some of the more rigid ones, but it does mean it's a little bit of a struggle to get that back down straight. Okay, there we go. So I got him a Darth Vader, and I hope the rendering on this makes it come out as I'm expecting it to. Standard toolkit, add it to the pile. Then we have individual bags. Lucky him that he is not going to have to mess around with cutting open packets. There are 17 colours on this, which is more than I thought that there would be. We'll just check the 6. So the drill field on this, I would say I don't think you're going to have a problem. It's not as clear as I've seen a lot of others, but I don't really see anything on there that's going to be too much of a problem, to be honest. They're all letters, so there's no confusion between 8 and B and O and Q and 0 and Q or whatever. I've had that on a painting. So yeah, really, really nice. And I'm hoping that he will, I'm hoping that he'll start this one once he's finished a Stormtrooper, of course. Now, there's no canvas number on this. So what I'm going to do is, if you've seen on my previous video, I have bought some of these from Temu to actually store the drill packets in. I will sort this out afterwards, but I will know that that belongs to the Darth Vader one, as long as all of the others have the canvas numbers on. So I know what this one is as well, because this is the one that I was really excited for him to get. So he is a Newcastle United fan, which, if you are not in the UK, is a football, or if you're American, soccer team. And I saw that they had the Newcastle United emblem. And I thought, you know what? He is going to love this. And so I picked this one up for him to do. And I will show you, once he's completed these, I'll do a little review video, show you which ones he's done. Because I think it's always quite nice, if I'm going to show you the paintings, then to also show you the completed projects afterwards. So yeah, the Newcastle United symbol. This is a 40 by 30 again, 19 colours on this. That, I think, is going to be, no, 6, absolutely fine. The background is all one colour. It's not 310, it is it's R, whatever R is. R is 820, so it's a blue. So there should be, yeah, I think there's quite a few packs of that dark blue in there. So yeah, I can't see that this is going to take him that long, because obviously the colour blocking in the background is going to be fairly quick anyway. A2744 is the canvas number that's on there. Perfect. So we'll pop that away and show you the last one. So this is the last one that I picked up. And this one's a bigger one. This one's a 40 by 50. Now, if you have watched any of my previous videos, then you might already be aware that I am... Why is that all screwed up? No, come on. That is not okay. There we go. I am a huge Disney fan. As I said, I cannot vouch for the artwork licensing, so I'm sorry. But I saw this and I'm like, it's Beauty and the Beast. Oh, toolkit, bye-bye. It's Beauty and the Beast, and this is very, very wrinkled. But let's pull this back. I think there's a lot of colour block. Oh, actually, I thought there was a lot of colour block in the background, but there isn't. That's a mixture of P and K. Whatever P and K is, I don't know. This is a square drill kit, which I'm hoping... any spares are going to be greatly appreciated with my custom painting. So we have 22 colours in this, which I'm very surprised that there are only 22 colours, since it's a 40 by 50. Seeing as one of my 30 by 40s had like 35 colours or something, I'm very surprised. So we'll have to see on how this turns out. It could be because the dress has a lot of colour blocking in by the looks of things, so we'll have to see. So we have them in pre-filled bags, which makes my heart happy. And all of the canvases do have the DMC codes on as well. So that will make a difference with me kitting down. They've actually written the number on the bag, FC013, although it's not overly legible. So I'll have to try and deal with that. It'll probably go into one of my bags. But yeah, this is my last one from New Craft Day. So thank you very much, New Craft Day, for sending these to me. I'd be really happy when I get to start and complete this one, which won't be in the next few weeks because I'm working on my custom, but should be soon after that. So if you've enjoyed looking through my diamond paintings, then you're welcome. And I will see you all again in the next video. See you soon. Bye.